Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but when you try to reach any app or download it through Google Play Store, it's stuck in a pending on ZTE Blade A53+. And to do this, first let's try to install something from Google Play Store, and here we're gonna go for this app. And as you can see, when I hit that install button, it changes into the pending mode and it's stuck like this forever. Now to fix this, we'll need to go back to our settings and then scroll all the way down, enter system, date and time, and enable set time automatically. When we go back to the Google Play Store and try to install this game again, now it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.